What's astounding to me is, over the years as I traveled the world and I talked to all these anti-aging and longevity experts and all these scientists and PhDs and researchers, it's amazing to me how much of this research is just coming full circle, getting back to the basics. You eat whole foods, right? You eat meat, fish, chicken, eggs, avocados, coconut oil, olive oil, nuts. I mean, how hard is it to stick to that whole food diet? I mean, you tell me all the time.
It's easy. It's easy, especially you can go out too. You can go out and eat in restaurants and live a normal life. You just got to cut out carbs and sugar. Yep. That's it. You cut out carbs and sugar and you're on your way. And one of the things that I respect the most about you, a lot of things that I respect about you, but the most is when I talk to you about other doctors or he's not one of these guys that, oh, well, that's not right. My system is the right way. I've presented you with other guys' books, other doctors that you've met. By the way. Yeah, exactly. Other guys that you've met and everything else. You work well with other doctors and explaining to them, and he can go toe to toe with any doctor. Let me just put it to you this way. My two doctors that I was with for years that, it sounds like I'm shitting on now, but I'm not. I love both these guys. They're both with Gary now. Mm-hmm. They're both doing Gary's thing. For those of you that think this is a scam, here's another thing that I can talk about that Gary can't. Since Gary and I have hooked up, he's had a very good clientele, before me. But some of your favorite actors, some of the most powerful, richest people in the world are all now doing this with Gary for one reason and one reason only, because it works and because it's real and because it will change your life. And I say this all the time. If you don't believe me and you think whatever, I don't give a shit. I could care less. Don't do it. Yeah. Go see your doctor and good luck to you.